I'm looking forward to doing the upholstery. It's gonna be easy. I'm back with another blob. You've reached the best boat building program on the internet. I'm still trying to get the windows sexy. I'm making a dummy top window frame. To get the right shape, all I did was copy the bottom window frame. This was a key to cold forming the windows to the right shape. This is how far out they are. They're pretty close. We'll see if it matters after it's done. See how she goes? I might have cut it too small. I managed to get the dummy top window frame assembled and then made another new template out of cardboard using the top frame as a guide, and then cut some new tinted perspex so you could see it better. I'll see if it'll... Oh. Yeah. This. Oh, shit. They came out.
Okay, so shit.
Be careful of your fingers. Just always be careful of your fingers. It's definitely looking like the wrong shape right now. I'll see how she goes. Oh. Yeah, maybe if we take that side of that hoop off and then put it in, and then I can clip it into here, and then I'll squash it in with the bar and some blocks, and then we can butt this up and then do another scribe of the top of the window. It was hard to get the right template. The cardboard one we made was also out. These tinted windows are going to be our next template. Making the bottom outside lip small was probably not the best idea, but I did it because I wanted to make it look like it had no frames. But this will mean the perspex needs to be cut very accurately. Give it another vlog. It seems to be... Yeah, just keep it there. Wait, it's just bouncing around. Yep. Whoa, that's good. So, you can see the center window changing angles when we're pushing against it, and this is one of the things that we needed to brace. The frame goes in.
This is why I'm worried about this tearing the screws out of the deck.
Out of the bottom. Yeah, because that was good when this is in. More, you reckon? Yeah, a little bit more. And this is... Well, give it a shot,
And you have to make up your mind what you're going to do with that. Either you take a chunk out of the perspex, and the gun called, the Sikaflex will always sort of hide that.
I can take that notch out and then extend that top window frame bit on that section, and then when I make the top window frame, I can hide it with that. You reckon I'll do that?
Well, it's making it very hard to put the window in.
Yeah, okay, I'll do that.
I think we do it the first way. Get this in first, because now this is bashing the top of the wood here. That didn't happen before.
Okay, so we need locating pins.
Where?
In our hoop. Anyway, you can see after lots of stuffing around, we ended up getting it done, and this was the end result. This is how close I got it to looking like the Reaver. These videos are what I went from when I first designed it. You can see how far it's come. I still can't believe I did this. I definitely need to make a similar thing that I made for the bottom here, for the top up here, so it doesn't pull out. But it's really strong, even with this bodgy melamine frame. So once I make the hoop that incorporates all of it together, it should be really strong. We finally made it to Blob 51. Woohoo! Now it's all new footage. This was about a month ago. I'm trying to figure out a way to make a top window frame now. I also have to make a mounting point for the top of the pillar. This is the easiest thing that I can come up with. Making a brim to go around the front of the windows like you can see. Putting heaps of sticky tape over everything. While I have all the sticky tape there, I thought I may as well pull a mould off the windows just in case I want to use heat to bend the windows. And so I can definitely make tinted sleeves to go behind the clear windows that I'll put in eventually. Another big experiment, but that can be for later down the track. I've already fiberglassed the top of the window frame here, and I'm just using this to mold the top window frame. I should have waxed the tape up a bit, I think.
Yeah, I think it'll be right.
The edge that butted to the table was really rounded, so I had to bog it to the table. I also smoothed it off with bog too. I'm just using the scrap pile to do the molds for these windows. It took way longer using all the scrap, but I need to get rid of it. After I fiberglassed the windows, I needed to brace it so it was strong, and I'll just reuse all the templates that I've made. But fiberglass does not stick to melamine, so that's what I'm getting rid of. So I just held this and hot glue gunned it in a couple of corners just to hold it there, so I can put some bog in there to make it a little bit stronger, and then I'm going to fiberglass over it. Oh, that looks bodgy. But they're just there to brace the window because I think I've only got it approximately 2 to 3 layers. It looks like the Hannibal Lecter, the Silence of the Lambs, you know, all different patches of skin because it's just made out of crap. And I'm going to put some foam on the inside to space it in, and then oversize it as well, and then put a skin of fiberglass over that, and then bog over that and make it smooth, and then that will be, it just fell. Not so long story short is these are there to brace the windows so they don't change or deform. So when I thicken it up and bulk it up, it doesn't change shapes, hopefully.